welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here. I'm bringing you a review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig-related questions. So I'm wearing a really cute new style by Raquel Welch today. This is Go-To Style, and the color on this one is RL1125 Golden Walnut. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's jump in and start talking about Go-To Style by Raquel Welch. So very, very cute short style. I'll do a turn so you can see her angles and everything. She does have these longer pieces here in the front that you can point towards the chin, or you can swoop them back if you want to. So, really, really cute, voluminous short style. If you want to just zhuzh her up, you can get a lot of volume, but you can also kind of smooth her down and not have her be quite as, voluminous. So anyway, so I will do a turn and we can see her all the way around, and then we can talk about all her specs. So here she is from the front. Very pretty layering in this piece. Lots of texture, great movement. This is my left. So here you can see this long piece that tends to want to point towards the chin. But as I said, if you want to, you can always swoop it back. Or you could snip it off if it just bothered you. Here's the back. My right. So again, you have that longer piece. And back to the front. Okay, so measurement wise for Go-To Style. Here in the front, she has a bang of 6.5 inches, and you could, cut that if you wanted to. If you just wanted to put more of a bang in the piece, you could do that. But they do swoop, over to the side and things like that, out of the face pretty easily. So she is 5 inches from the crown here. She has 2-inch sides. She is 2.5 inches back here in the back. And then her nape is a 4-inch nape. So as I said, listening to those measurements, you're hearing a lot of different layers, that are throughout the piece. So you're gonna have those 5 inches and, just different layers all throughout the piece. And this is what is going to give her the volume. As far as permatease, I'm not feeling a lot of permatease in this wig other than up here. She is a left monopart with a lace front. So up here on the very top, these are wefts up here, but there's a little bit of teasing right at the wefts. And I think that's just to give her that extra, volume. But she doesn't have a big bunch of permatease, when you come off the part or anything like that. So really, really pretty style and very, very lightweight and easy to wear. So, okay, so I will show you the lace front. Lace front looks really, really nice. Golden walnut is a great warm blonde, brunette with blonde highlights. If you want to start, lightening up a little bit for summer, for spring, or if you wear brunettes and you want to try some blondes without going too blonde, it just looks like a heavily highlighted light brunette. So here's the part, left mono part that goes all the way back to the crown. Very nice. The ear tabs, I have good coverage. Just a tiny bit of bio hair showing. I will say this, I'm a petite, ear to ear, forehead to nape, and circumference. Well, I didn't have to bring the circumference in at all on this wig. This is fitting very petite. So I know that these wigs do have stretch on the sides and stretch in the cap, but just something to note if you do have a larger circumference. Okay, I will pop her up and we can look at her interior cap construction. Okay, so there's that part up close. This is the Memory Cap 3, so you're gonna see the silicone lining when I show you that in just a minute. So here's that mono part, goes all the way back to the crown. Very nice, very natural looking. You have a lace front that extends almost down the entire ear tab. Actually, it does. Pretty much. I mean, it ends right here. So there's maybe a quarter of the ear tab left. So extends 3/4 of the ear tab, I would say. Very, very nice. So really, you have a nice appearance of lace, which is gonna make it look like that hair is growing right out of your scalp, right, around your forehead and everything. So up here, we just have some closed wefts. Like I said, a little tiny bit of permatease right at the wefting, but nothing big and, poofy and uncomfortable or scratchy or anything like that. Soft felt ear tabs with a nice piece of metal. Open wefted cap. Now, like I said, this is the Memory 3 cap, so it is lined with silicone, And it is designed so that after you've had it on for just a little while, it will end up feeling like it is molded to your head, which is really, really nice. You have an extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters. Here's the stretch on the sides. So quite a bit of stretch. But as you can see, I didn't move those adjusters in at all for my petite head. So something to note. And then the stretch in the cap itself. Lots of stretch in the cap. So hard for me to predict how large of a circumference this would, accommodate. So okay, let's talk about this color. This is RL1125 Golden Walnut. I have reviewed Golden Walnut before on Straight Up with a Twist, and it was one of the first blondes that I purchased, and I started kind of playing around with trying to get into some blondes. So that's why I say this is a really, really good color for you brunettes who want to maybe try some highlights and, get into a little bit lighter color, but still feel like you have the comfort of your brunette in the piece. So, okay, so Golden Walnut is described as an even blend of medium and light brown with bold golden blonde highlights. So the brown actually looks slightly ashy to me, but the highlight is definitely gold and it's very predominant in the piece. So I would call this a warm color. You're going to see the highlights all throughout. They're around the face, but they're not too bad because you can still see a lot of that brunette coming through. So. Okay, so here we are outside with Golden Walnut. I don't know if I mentioned, but these are the true to life heat friendly fibers, so they're not going to have, that sheen that some regular synthetics do. Lace front part. Okay, it's overcast, so I'll just show you her in the natural light. Let's look at glasses and do some styling with go-to style here. So glasses are easy. I will put this hair behind the ears just so you can see the glasses better. Very easy. They're slipping right over the ear tabs. The ear tabs are very flush against my face, so no problem. And I can put the glasses up, but with the volume in the piece, it might be a little challenging. So I think glasses on the head for this one, my preference would just be not with the hair behind the ears. So very easy though. So she's cute with a headband. You can just stick a headband in, or if you like, you can again go behind the ears here. Put in a headband. You could leave it like that. I think I would pull out these layers. I like to kind of cover my ear tabs a little. So pull out a little layer. And with those long layers, you'll get some cute layering around the face anyway. So, and if you want to, you can really zhuzh her up back behind there. Get some volume. And then if you don't, you just smooth her right back down. Cute. Okay, so other than that, you could pull her back off the face with some cute clips because she's got a beautiful lace front. And as I said, that lace front extends all the way down to here, which is so nice. So, you could pull her off the face a little bit. You're not going to get, like a half up, half down, but you could pull her off the face. And then if you want to, you can push the hair back, kind of feather it back away from the face if you prefer to wear it like that. So spray on maybe a little, synthetic safe hairspray and get a little volume in that way. So she's very cute and she has some versatility for styling. Very, very cute. I do want to show you, so you have your longer layers here on the front, and then back here, you're going to have short layers. But those are just meant to just lay flat back there, a little bit of volume up here at the crown, and then those layers are just supposed to lay flat and lay against the nape of the neck. So very pretty. So thank you to Pinky Promise for providing this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. Take care of yourselves. I thank you so much for watching. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.